So hello, my name is Jacqueline Chan. I've been learning Qigong. I was first introduced to it actually when I was about 6 years old through my mother, Master Teresa, and also Grandmaster Wu. So he had retired coming to Canada. My mom at the time was a single mom, so they had created a school together. Master Wu had he was a Qigong master in China. He was considered a national treasure, and he was appointing different Qigong masters. And so it was a real privilege to learn from him. And he became like a grandfather figure to me. When he came to Canada, he saw that there was a need for this in the North American society. And so he had created several forums that only take about 20 to 30 minutes to learn max. And there were different aims of these forums for overall health and wellness, Ai Qigong, Tai Chi Qigong, that would be accessible to everyone, regardless of their doctrine or faith that they had come from. And throughout the years, I had gone to them with all different kinds of workshops, courses, and trainings from up to when I was about 16 or 17. At that time, he had passed away, and I had also gone through my own personal crisis where I started to realize that I was actually pansexual or bisexual as well. And that actually helped me to develop my interest in psychology and the importance of integrating our identities and our past and our present, and also embracing our cultural heritage as well as part of that self-acceptance and self-love. And so Qigong has become my spiritual practice that I practice every day. And in the last few years, I've had the privilege of working at the hospital for sick children, first in clinical research, and then now I'm also part of their mindfulness project team. I'm a student at Emmanuel College, also studying spiritual care and psychotherapy, and I'm hoping to make those connections between psychotherapy and Qigong in the years to come. So in undergrad, I had studied psychology, and I have a pre-existing master's in early childhood studies. Yeah. And so these two degrees kind of gave me a research background to be able to read the literature and also develop some of those analytical skills and understand the importance of those intersections with science and research. Yeah. And then now with Emmanuel College, it's really about making those intersections with the cultural heritage, traditional roots, and also the implications for psychotherapy. So throughout the years still, I've been continuing my training through my mother's school, Pure Land Qigong, and so she has also been teaching something called Fa Qi, or remote healing. So it's something called external Qi healing. So this is where we're actually able to, through cultivating our own energy, able to help facilitate that in other people. It's a bit more advanced, but I've been cultivating my training in that way. And I'm also learning, and because I've been practicing for a while, my journey right now is about refining myself as a teacher and also as a facilitator.